Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to filter data in Excel using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to apply filter on this data, right? So what we will do here is we will filter the data from role in company based on the role, right? First of all, what I will do is I will create a variable and I will name this variable as file path, and here I will specify the path of the file. This is the file path. I will remove the double quotes around it and then I will click on save. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case you need to include the Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. Interop.Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel.dll and system.data.datasetextensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. Now what I will do is I will create an object using this Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel.application. I will name this as Excel app equals to, and I will copy it again, and then I will use new keyword, paste it, bracket and semicolon. Now I will set the visible property of this app as Excel app.visible equals to true. I will type workbook WB equals to Excel app dot workbooks dot open, and then I will use @ double quotes, and inside that I will use this variable which is file path, and then semicolon. Now I will create an object of worksheet. I will name it as WS equals to, and here I will specify Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel dot worksheets, and then I will use workbook object dot sheets. In the square bracket I will specify the index of the sheet and then semicolon. Instead of worksheets I will just use worksheet, right? And then what I will do is I will use this worksheet object dot used range dot auto filter. So the auto filter function will accept the index of the column where you want to apply the filter. So role in company is on the 4th index, and here I want to filter this data based on the analyst, right? Then comma, and here I will use Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel dot Excel auto filter operator dot Excel filter values, and then semicolon. Now I will click on save and then I will run the bot. Here you can see that the code has been able to apply filter on 4th column, right? And here you can see that we have rows where the role in company is analyst, right? Consider that you want to apply filter based on multiple values in the column, right? So what I will do is I will just close this file. Now here what I will do is I will just remove this and then I will use new object square bracket, and then in the curly bracket I will specify the value. So let's say first I want to filter based on the analyst, and then the second value is going to be, let's say, accountant. Right, now I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. And now here you can see that you have rows where the role in company is analyst and accountant. Right, consider that now you want to apply filter on another column along with this column. Right, so what I will do is I will go back to Power Automate Desktop. I will just copy this line and then paste it here, and let's say I want to filter the data which is on column 1, and I want to filter the data where I have the value as, let's say, John. Right, and here I will use Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel auto filter operator, and here I will say Excel and. Right, now I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. Code execution is completed. Now here you can see that we have filter on 2 columns, right, which is role in company, which is analyst, and here you can see that we have John selected. Right, if I select all these values, you will see that again you have this filter which is analyst and accountant. Right, so this is how you can use C# code to filter data in Excel in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.